Good morning. So I have declared war on the roly-polies or the pill bugs because they keep eating my vegetables that I am planting. So I've got 3 different methods that I am going to try. Well, let me show you. I have a potato, and as you can see, I put that there last night. It's already covered in them. I have a plate of cornmeal, and I went and got a cheap beer to go in that 3rd plate. I'm going to scrape those off into the trash and get rid of those. And then tomorrow we're going to check again and see which one of the 3 is working best to attract, let me pull the netting, to attract these little buggers that ate my aroma, and that tomato over there. And they are doing their best to eat this tomato here. So I have declared war on them, and will be doing everything I can to get rid of them in all of my beds. So let me pour this beer in this plate, and I'll be back tomorrow to show you the results. Well, it's the 2nd day, and I'm out here to see which one of these methods works best to get rid of the roly-polies. Let me show you what's going on. So again, the potato is covered in roly-polies. There's one dead one there in the cornmeal, so that's kind of promising, I guess. And all the beer is gone, but it has attracted ants and something else, whatever that is. So I think it's safe to say that catching them using potatoes as a bait is probably going to be the best method in my case, and that's what I'm going to be doing going forward. I might continue to put cornmeal out because I think they would eat that and then go off and die. So I'll go ahead and leave some cornmeal as well. But catching them with the potato baits looking to be the most promising. So I hope this is helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.